Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this pet watering bowl. It can also be for food. So it features 3 liters of capacity. There's that. We have looks like a plug-in here. And there is this here. This is for a little fountain attachment there. Okay, and here is the bowl. It's good sized. Have another little fountain attachment here. So this is stainless steel. Does have a plug in there, and if you want food on this one side, it has a nice, easy to clean bowl there. But if you want the water to come out here, you can undo that, attach this fountain in here, undo the little plug there. Okay, let's open this up here. You can see the little filter there. It's got the little motor down in there, the triple filter here. This stuff can go right in through there. We can take this out, that water attaches right here. And we can put our filters right there. The water just drains onto that, goes through the filters and back into the bowl, and that recycles there. It's nice. Okay, and then we have our little motor here, and that just has some suction cups on the bottom. And you can just stick it on the bottom of the bowl there. Has a max fill line there, indicator, and also the little bubble on the side so you can tell how much water you got in there. Holds 3 liters, so that's a good amount. And nice that it circulates this water, keeps it fresh for the cats. I like that it's all stainless steel, so it should be super easy to clean. Has these nice little pads on the bottom, so the bowl's not gonna get pushed around. It's gonna stay where it's supposed to be. And this here looks like it's going to be just some plastic there, super easy to clean, just rinse off if you need to. Anyways, let's set this up and see how the cats like it. All right, so we got Boogie here. Wee, water. We'll try out some water, buddy. And looks like he's gonna like it. Aww. Cat approved once again. And like it has both sides there, and if you want to put food in one side, the cat's gonna have that too. It's nice and high, so you see he doesn't have to bend over a whole lot to get his water. And he can just drink right out of there. He's not scared by it. It's not loud or anything. And it has a nice long cord there. It's probably about 6 feet long, so you can see. Works really well, and the cats like it. So 3 liters of water, and it's moving water, so it's filtered through there all the time. So the water's not going to be all stale for the cats. It's not going to be stagnant and get like bacteria and stuff building up in there with the filters. And yeah, so that's really nice. And once again, it is all stainless steel, so super easy to clean. Not difficult, and like sometimes like the cat saliva when they're eating can build up different sticky stuff on there. It's kind of hard to clean off, but stainless steel is super easy to clean. Look at that, Boogie, what do you think? So as you can see, he likes it. He's not scared of it at all, so it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. That's kind of nice. So because some cats are kind of skittish and they're afraid of, the sound of it, so they're scared to go over there and test it out. But Boogie here, he seems to really like it. And I just put this down here and he just started drinking. So yeah, definitely cat friendly here. A great little watering bowl for them. Especially if you're away for a little bit, you can make sure that your cats have fresh water with plenty of water in there. 3 liters is a lot of water, and you can be just satisfied that your cats will not be dehydrated when you get home. So thanks so much for watching this video. And he is still drinking. He's such a good cat, aren't you, Boogie? Yes, you are. So, all right, my friends, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, and I just wanted to demonstrate this with the food as well. So you can see that the water's not splashing in on the food or anything like that, so that's nice. And all you do is just put this little plug here and the other plug there, and then the food's right in there. And it's a nice, not super deep bowl and kind of wide, so the cats can get the food out of there and it's not going to be too difficult for them. So, all right, my friends, take care.